Ay, nako, Sebastian. Walang magagawa yung pag-hunger strike mo. Hindi yan effective. Look, I know you're hurt, okay? But, mas okay na rin yung nabigo ka sa umpisa kasi may ginawa ka. Kasi naman yung sumuko ka, wala kang ginawa kasi natatakot ka masaktan. Bruno Barber! Jenny Garcia! Ano ba yan? Mga video okay na yan. Binigyan ko na ng curfew yung mga yan. I'm sorry, son. Let's go back to what we were talking about.
Nay,
Yes.
pero bakit ganon? Minsan na nga lang ako nagmahal. Nasaktan pa ako.
Bruno Barber, stop singing! Alam mo, anak, I always believed in this quote. It is better to have loved and lost than not to have loved at all. Tsaka isa pa, bakit? Sigurado ka na ba na nabigo ka? Di ba sabi mo naman sa akin, hindi naman humindi talaga sa'yo si Rosa? She probably just needs some time to think. You know, you shouldn't give up. If you really love her, you will not give up. And if you really love her, you want to live, right? And if you want to live, you're going to eat. Halika na. Sumbasubuan pa kita.
Hindi na, Nay.
Kaya na. Bruno Barber! I hate that song!